subs. We are back. This is BLKFinesse. It's good. We're here to watch insane car crashes, U.S. and Canada. Best of accidents. I'm not sure what part this is, but it's by dashcamlessons. We're here to figure out who's in the wrong and who's in the right. Let's get it.
This is a car crash only video, made with clips that were featured on this channel.
Okay, let's see. I see red light. He's running a red light. Boom. Nissan's in the wrong. See? Already. Not paying attention. Get off your phone. Causing an injury, accident. Yep. That's a lot of money coming out your pocket, buddy. Oh, ran. Truck's in the wrong. Because you wasn't looking. Now, it's always hard to see because his car's on the side of the road. Yeah, I'm sure it was very much hard to see. That's why I come out slow. He was hoping that I would see him and swerve out of the way. Rest in peace. What you mean hoping I would see him swerve out of the way? What? I'm not gonna run into oncoming traffic. Oh. Why didn't you just go to the right lane, you dummy?
Pardon?
Come on, dude.
Call 911.
And it's a Camaro. Wow. I'm glad you got a dash cam. Was it totaled? I wonder if it's totaled.
My dad.
Your dad's always there. He's like, it's like his dojo or something. It's crazy.
I have no idea how he did it. Oh my god! Holy! Oh my god!
Running red lights.
Oh god!
No idea about the red light running. Nobody came out and hit a pole after hit the car. Wow. Oh yeah. Pretty sure you're uninsured too. Nope. Speed limit was 55 on the bypass. Another taking the curve. Proceeds to come around and I am being cut off by another driver. Attempts to. Yeah. GG's, buddy. Lose morale. I've always heard that. Why am I always seeing that? Somebody get from behind.
God.
That caused it all drove. And no one was able to get to the point. Currently, that's. It's clearly a red light. I mean, well, can't say it's a red light, but the cam's light was green and you weren't looking before turning. Had a concussion and I'm still recovering from. Wow. I'll be right. Chill out. Hey! Now looking. People just don't look nowadays. Merry Christmas to me. Thankful I was able to walk out of the car. I'm still sitting by the fire. Thankful I'm still alive. At least you're covered. This was back in 2022. Clearly you cannot park. Nah, the car's in the wrong, bro. You should have seen that from a mile away, dude. You going 50 on a 25? Yeah, you're insane. You're insane. It's yellow, running a red. Both of y'all were wrong for trying to run that. Somebody fall out the... Oh, that's a bumper. It looked like somebody fell out the car. I don't know who's in the wrong, to be honest. Both of them are wrong.
But then we got it down to 37 minutes, and then we got it down to 32 minutes. And
This shit canceled out. They both tried to run a yellow light.
Minutes. That's all it took. But no one's asking for time. No one asked, no one cares. There is no time frame. We have no clue. No Jack Brazil's legit because he's got one of those mesh cowboy hats.
Alright, get the...
Yes.
How'd you do that?
So in order to clarify the Kennedy assassination, they made it more blurry. So that they could really figure it out. Maybe Dogman did it.
Yeah, how did you lose control of the car like that? Something had to happen inside the car. I'm confused. The dash cam could have just kept moving forward, but okay. But it is the white truck's fault for not stopping. Because he definitely had a stop light, like a stop sign.
I could help you.
My ankle! It's my ankle!
Ayúdame, no le pasó, no está grave.
Trying to show off.
Wait, dude. What the?
You should have slowed down if you seen all that, to be honest. But even still, that's cool. Yeah, buddy, you're running a red light. Come on now. He's driving off? A drunk lady ran a red light and is still going?
He's running. He's running. He's running.
Oh. That's what happens when you're driving too fast, buddy. That deemed it a total loss.
Weekend. Gas for time, partly cloudy and mild. Low down to 340.
They're not looking.
Up to 68 degrees for a high. And on Friday.
Why would you do that? Like, you had your blinker going right and you went left. Of course she's at fault. Like, why would you do that? At least she was super nice. Yeah, that's what you get, because you're not looking. Why does it keep seeing the ladies? Like, what's up with y'all not looking when y'all driving? Look. Y'all spatial awareness is off, man. For felony to obey traffic control device. Being arrested at the hospital is crazy. She probably had a different Yeah. So they did that, buddy. Is he running? Okay, I was about to say. Don't run. Somebody jumped out the... Oh, did they run? Same one? Yo, what is up with people not looking on this road? It's a very dangerous intersection. You're not looking. Look. How is it this hard? You look both ways. Common sense. No, the city don't need to do nothing about this. People aren't looking. It's a two-way street. Which means the one going to the right is 2 lanes. The one going to the left is 1 lane, I think. Yeah, they blindly pull out. No, the city doesn't need to do anything. That's their fault. They need to look. Yeah, obviously you're like, you didn't yield correctly. It's bound to my fault, yo. GG's, buddy. So, you're going 70 in the snow? I wouldn't do that. That's crazy. I would at least go 50. It's the girl. Yet again. She wasn't able to stop. She should have slowed down quicker. She's at fault, though. A Tesla? Are you serious? And you're running? Did they go get him? He ran. Oh, okay. Had to been drunk. He then went between two cars in the 3 lanes and continued to high rate of speed. He finally came to a stop about half a mile ahead. No. We're gonna go back. Dude's wearing a dress. He's on drugs. Oh no, that's crazy.
Oh my god. Holy
You're not looking.
I got that on dash cam.
Stop and give it to him. Get his contact information. We can send it. Pull in this driveway.
I'm gonna.
Lady again. What's up with this, bro? It's either a man that's drunk or it's just a woman. Like, come on, bro. I'm not being sexist or nothing, but come on, dude. How? I remember that the side airbags and accident were activated so that no major head injuries.
What?
Somebody just get hit? No, somebody hit somebody. I thought.
Yeah, they slowed down like in the middle of the runway. Stoplight. Yeah, it's obviously a stop sign. Or is it? Oh. So it's the people who have the stop sign who are at fault. Right? Or does everyone have a stop sign? I think I only see 2 signs. Oh, all of them have stop signs. Oh, yeah, y'all tripping. Yeah, y'all tripping. Yeah, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeah. To his insurance company, we were told you were at fault, and we received a report. Insurance found he's entirely at fault. I did use my brakes. He didn't even try. Which I guarantee you still have to pay for it. Going straight in the turn only lane. That's not the. Jeez. People not looking, man. Yeah, bad spatial awareness. Bad spatial awareness. Bad spatial awareness. And he's dragging the truck. Terrible spatial awareness, dude. That's why I can't trust traders, dude. Why would you rush that?
Oh my god, look at this chick! Oh! Ooh. He was all over.
I'm trying not to get irritated, bro. Cause like, why are y'all doing that from the far right side of the dang? At least a cop there. But why are you doing it from the far right side of the street? Why would you even try to turn? No spatial awareness. Didn't even check your mirrors at least.
Use the left lane to turn left on 7 Locks Road.
No way.
Was it a yielding turn? Yeah, yield. Okay, yeah, you sold. Don't jump into the right lane. A legal left turn out of the gas station. Yep, see, you lost your job too.
Or a blockade or something. Whoa, whoa, shit.
I think I remember that one.
There we go. Oh my god.
Should I call 911?
No, it's fine. We got the dash cam. He's just leaving.
Holy.
Yeah, go after him, please.
Yeah, that guy's like, are you kidding me, dude? You just saw another one.
That's why we got a dash cam.
Yep.
I don't know who's at fault here. The Mercedes? Oh, he runs a red light. Dude, what? Like, come on. He's running. She pulled into the parking lot and apparently had second thoughts about taking responsibility. Oh God. Why do y'all do this? I don't want to be sexist, but damn, like, and then run away from your responsibilities. Dude. Green light. Left turn. And you ran a red light. So. That's why you gotta get off your phone. Look at the light. Sheesh. Light is red.
Oh.
Gotta look, buddy. Yeah, it's best to just wait until the lights turn green before you start trying to cross like roads and stuff. Especially if you don't see that many cars coming. Like, it's always that open left lane people just can't see, dude. Yeah, you're clearly at fault. Just summer tires, I'm messing with the road coverings, and I continue my road trip after we exchange insurance. Yeah, GG's. Yeah, there's a lot of look, listen, don't shoot the messenger, or don't shoot me for having an opinion. But it seems like there's a lot of women that have been selling these car crashes. They're not looking, they're not focusing, they're running away, and they're hitting people without yielding correctly, or they're running red lights. But then again, I don't think it's just women either. You know, the dudes. If there's anybody who are dudes, they're probably under the influence. Just based off what I seen in the video. That's just so weird, dude. But leave your comments down below. It's BLKFinesse for y'all.